Amid the surge in the second wave of the coronavirus pandemic, the people of the country have struggled because of the oxygen crunch. The main source of oxygen plants by which we can save nature. Our elders know and understand the importance of these green soldiers. But the COVID-19 pandemic has taught us how much importance they have in our lives. Taking a lesson from this, more than 20,000 saplings have been prepared in the central nursery of Bharatpur since last year.
टोल प्लांट के अंतर्गत इसकी आती है जिसमें एक
Under the toll plant, we prepare the plant for 1 year in the nursery, and in its second year, we either supply it for plantation or sell it. Apart from this, the work of the nursery is done throughout the year to prepare the plant because seeds are planted and cuttings are made, so this process continues throughout the year.
The special thing is that this time the focus has been on preparing plants that give more oxygen and shade.
हमारे पास नर्सरी में
In our nursery, we have about 35 types of species, in which we have been given priority to prepare shady and big plants.
नीम का पेड़ है और जामुन का
We have neem tree, jamun tree, Arjun's bark, people tree. There are many other trees from which we get good amount of oxygen.
मिल सकती है.
65,000 saplings of 35 species have been planted in the central nursery. From July 1, these plants will be made available for government offices and the general public at the lowest cost.
लगभग 65,000 पौधे हमने
We have prepared almost 65,000 saplings on behalf of the Forest Department, and we will start delivering them as soon as we receive the order in July. Not only government officials, everyone can take saplings from here. Employees of the government department can take the saplings, showing the letter pad of their department.
The nursery has got the special goal of preparing plants that provide more oxygen and shade. This time, guava and champa plants have also been prepared in addition to hibiscus, chandni or jasmine, nagdon, harshingar, guldaudi and hedge.
साइज के हिसाब से इनकी
The process of the sapling are fixed according to their size. By the way, normally we have 5, 8, 4, 15, 40, 43 these fixed rates.
There is also good availability of fruitful and flowering plants in the nursery. Among them, banyan, sycamore, peepal plants have been specially prepared. A lot of khejri saplings are also being prepared in the nursery.
हमारे यहाँ पर नर्सरी में
To save these plants from withering, we set a setup of sprinkler system for irrigation, which we call Quara Weebi. Apart from this, we also use a green net inside the nursery.
Trees are not less than any life-saving herb. We are all alive because of the oxygen we get from them. But with the speed which the trees are being cut, if they will not be planted double, then it will be difficult for us to live in the future.
ऑक्सीजन की इतनी महत्ता बढ़
At this time, the importance of oxygen has increased so much that it's important to plant trees everywhere. It's pretty much needed in the coming days.
So, we need to befriend these green soldiers, plant trees and save lives. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.